In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Groups to share Google Sheets on desktop. This workflow is ideal for teams, classes, or departments because it lets you manage access in one place. When someone joins or leaves the group, their sheet permissions update automatically, saving you time and preventing oversharing. First, open Google Groups in your desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account you use for Google Sheets. You'll see your existing groups and the option to create a new one if you haven't set it up yet. Create a new group and add members. Give the group a clear, recognizable name and a short description so others understand its purpose. Confirm the automatically generated group email address. This is the address you'll use to share the sheet. Choose basic privacy settings that match your needs, such as who can view posts and who can join the group. Then add your members. You can assign roles like member or manager if you want a few people to help maintain the group. Don't worry if the list isn't final. You can always return later to add or remove members as your team changes. Now open the Google Sheet you want to share. In Google Sheets, locate the file and make sure you have the rights to share it. Keeping the Google Groups tab open is handy so you can quickly reference the group's address. Click Share in the top right corner of the sheet. The sharing dialog appears. If you want only the group to have access, keep the link setting restricted so the file isn't open to anyone with the link. Enter the Google Group email address in the Add People and Groups field. When it pops up in the suggestions, select it. You'll see it listed just like a single person. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or refresh, especially if you just created the group. Set the permission level and click Send. Choose Viewer for read-only access, Commenter for feedback without edits, or Editor for full editing power. Editors can change content, so grant that level only when necessary. If you prefer, you can disable editors from changing access by using the Advanced Sharing option to prevent editors from adding new people. Add a brief message to provide context. Decide whether to notify the group by email, and then click Send. From now on, managing access is simple. Update group membership in Google Groups, and the sheet's permissions follow automatically. That's all it takes to share a Google Sheet through Google Groups on desktop efficiently and securely.